Building a complete tiny house requires careful planning and proper construction techniques. Even though the structure is small, each step of the process is very important. The construction begins with selecting a suitable location for the tiny house. The ground should be stable and level for building. Builders start by clearing the construction area. Grass, stones, and debris are removed from the site. A clean surface helps ensure accurate construction work. After cleaning the area, the layout of the house is marked. Measuring tools help determine the exact dimensions. Wooden stakes and strings outline the boundaries of the house. This step is known as setting out the building. Once the layout is complete, foundation work begins. A shallow trench is dug along the marked outline. The trench will hold the foundation base. The bottom of the trench is leveled carefully. A strong and compact base supports the structure. Gravel may be added to improve drainage. Builders prepare a concrete mixture. Cement, sand, gravel, and water are mixed together. The mixture must be blended thoroughly. The concrete is poured into the trench. Builders spread the concrete evenly. The surface is leveled to create a smooth foundation. This base layer supports the walls of the house. The foundation must be left to cure and harden. Once the foundation is ready, wall construction begins. Bricks or blocks are used to build the walls. Mortar is applied between each brick layer. The first row of bricks is placed carefully. Builders check the alignment using a level tool. Straight rows create a strong structure. The second row of bricks is placed in a staggered pattern. This pattern increases the strength of the wall. Mortar bonds the bricks firmly together. Bricklaying continues row by row. The walls slowly rise higher. Openings are left for windows. These openings allow light and air inside the house. A door opening is also created in the wall. Frames may